A lot of meat actually. Okay. Thank you.
So this one is the pickle sauce to go along with the rice.